Full round fillets automatically adapt to geometry changes in Fusion. This feature is particularly powerful when you're designing parts that will go through multiple iterations or adjustments, as it helps maintain a smooth and efficient workflow. Fusion allows you to create variable fillets with adjustable radii along the edge. This is perfect for organic designs or components requiring varying curves for aesthetic or functional purposes. By adding multiple points, you can craft intricate, custom geometry. Fillets work on 3D bodies and 2D sketches. Apply them to 3D bodies for smooth edges after modeling or round corners in 2D sketches before extrusion, each suited for different design stages. Fillets aren't just aesthetic. They reduce stress concentrations at sharp edges, improving the durability, strength, and longevity of parts. Fusion offers various fillet types, radius options, and corner styles. You can select multiple edges, work with different selection sets, and choose from curvature settings. G1 ensures smooth tangency with the slight curvature change, while G2 provides smooth, consistent curvature. Subscribe to the Maker Letters for more videos. Thank you and goodbye.